In this video, we listed the 5 best sit-up benches that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XMARK Adjustable Bench. The XMARK Adjustable AB Bench is a high-quality fitness equipment designed for users of all fitness levels, featuring a robust construction of alloy steel for durability. Weighing just 0.01 ounces and measuring 66.3 inches in depth, 22.4 inches in width, and 43 inches in height, this bench allows for 12 levels of decline adjustment, enabling users to effectively target their abdominal muscles with ease. Equipped with a bullhorn handlebar for safe mounting and dismounting, along with rear transport wheels for effortless mobility, it offers convenience in any workout space. The heavy-duty 11-gauge steel frame and a 2-inch by 3-inch back support ensure stability, while the cushioned Duragard vinyl provides comfort during exercises. This bench is ideal for anyone aiming to sculpt their abs, reduce waist size, or maintain an active lifestyle, making it a versatile addition to any fitness routine. Number 2. YOLEO Weight Bench. The YOLEO Adjustable Multipurpose Weight Bench is designed for versatile home workouts, combining functionality and durability with its all-in-one design. Weighing 12.5 kilograms and made from robust alloy steel, this bench can support an impressive weight limit of 500 pounds, ensuring stability and safety during use. It features adjustable components, including 3 levels of backrest and 7 levels of supporting pad positions, allowing users of varying heights to perform exercises at a range of angles, incline, flat, or decline. The bench is upholstered in PU leather and high-density foam for comfort, while its heavy-duty steel construction guarantees long-lasting performance. Backed by a quality assurance commitment from YOLEO, users can feel confident in their purchase, knowing support and replacement services are readily available. Number 3. Vanswe Adjustable AB Bench. The Vanswe Adjustable Hyper Back Extension Bench is a durable and versatile fitness equipment designed for optimal stability and comfort during workouts. Constructed from high-grade alloy steel, it features a robust weight capacity of up to 650 pounds, ensuring long-lasting performance. Measuring 57-inch dx 23.6, wx 33.5 h, the bench is expertly designed with ergonomic elements, including a high-density back foam cushion and adjustable thigh support to minimize muscle fatigue and discomfort. It offers multiple settings, including 1 flat and 3 decline positions, along with customizable height adjustments for both foot and thigh support, making it suitable for users ranging from 5 to 6.2 feet tall. With a focus on customer satisfaction, Vanswe provides 24/7 customer support to assist users with any inquiries or concerns. Number 4. HANSTORM Sit Up Bench. The HANSTORM Workout Bench is a versatile fitness solution designed to cater to a variety of exercises, combining functions of both a sit-up bench and an AB bench for a compact gym experience at home. Weighing 28 pounds and constructed from high-quality faux leather, foam, and durable alloy steel, this bench boasts a sturdy triangular support design capable of holding users up to 330 pounds. It features 3 adjustable back positions, facilitating multiple workouts such as sit-ups, leg raises, and push-ups, ensuring a comprehensive full-body exercise routine. Designed for convenience, the bench requires minimal assembly, taking less than 10 minutes to set up, and can be easily folded for storage, making it ideal for small spaces. The upgraded sports breathable pad, measuring 57 inches by 16 inches with 2-inch thick foam, ensures comfort during exercise, allowing users to train effectively while addressing common issues like obesity in a world filled with work stress and environmental challenges. Number 5. Finer Form Sit-Up Bench. The FF Finer Form Decline Sit-Up Bench is designed for optimal performance and durability, weighing 20.9 kilograms and constructed from high-grade alloy steel. With dimensions of 57.5-inch dx 25, wx 40 h, this bench boasts a weight limit of 660 pounds, making it suitable for users of various sizes, particularly larger individuals. Its enhanced features include smoother, adjustable 3-level rollers for easy customization of settings, making it ideal for home workouts aimed at strengthening the abdominal muscles. The bench features a longer and sturdier backboard, improved welding, and thicker padding, allowing for versatile exercises such as leg lifts and reverse crunches. Additionally, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a manufacturer warranty, ensuring customer satisfaction with its promise of 5-star service for any issues that may arise.